Okay mga Inday and mga Uncle, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video mga Inday is ipiprepared ko ng pagkain sa uncle ninyo, which is ang adobong squid mga Inday. Pero to be honest mga Inday, this is my first time na disappoint ako sa sarili kong luto kasi nga hindi ako nasarapan mga Inday. So ako na nagluto, hindi na ako nasarapan mga Inday kasi nga medyo maalat-alat na naman yung pagluto ko. So I think this is my first and last na, second and last na lutuin ang pusit mga Inday kasi nga nadidisappoint ako, hindi siya masarap for me mga Inday. Pero sa uncle ninyo, nasarapan siya, pero way na lang siguro niyo yun para ma-appreciate ko. So as you can see mga Inday, pinutol-putol ko yung ibang squid kasi nga may maliliit, may malalaki. So yung mga malalaki mga Inday, hinati ko sa gitna. Kaya base na matukan si uncle or mabulunan ba siya mga Inday. So ang hinati ko lang sa gitna para siya maliit siya na pagkahiwa ba. And then I think kaya nag-alat yung ko mga Inday, yung luto ko, it's because ginamit kong oyster sauce. So very disappointed. Pang Chinese ata yun na oyster sauce. So I'm looking for yung parang sa atin na oyster sauce talaga mga Inday. So maghanap ako doon sa Wii. To be honest mga Inday, excited pa naman ako magluto kay para sa appreciate ba ni Uncle ninyo mga Inday. Nag-platings pa ako dyan. Gusto ko talagang sarapan siya mga Inday, pero na-disappoint ako doon sa oyster sauce talaga, sa totoo lang. So itatapon ko na yung oyster sauce na yun kay panira yun sa natin. Tawag nito pagluluto natin. So baka hindi ako magluto ng pusit. Or iwan ko lang mga Inday, tingnan natin sa mga susunod na mga araw. Hayan mga Inday. Then may share din ako sa inyo dito mga Inday. So may surprise si uncle niyo sa atin, and watch this full videos mga Inday until the end. Panoorin niyo yung until the end this video mga Inday kung ano ang surprise ni uncle niyo sa akin. Yan yung sauce na mga Inday. Super ang tsaka niya, hindi talaga siya masarap sa totoo lang. So yun lang mga Inday, ma-share ko lang. So dito na part mga Inday is magpi-platings na tayo. Hayan. So nag-platings talaga ako mga Inday para ma-appreciate ba ni Uncle, para pagtingin niya na maganda yung performance or yung pag-platings mga Inday, masarapan siya. Hayan. Which is bongga pagka-platings ko mga Inday, pero panira talaga yung oyster sauce na yun mga Inday kasi nga crabs siya mga Inday eh. Yung na yun, lasa na yun, parang crab siya. So itapon ko na yun, maghanap na ako ng ibang oyster sauce kay baka magluto tayo ng mga next natin pagluluto is masisira lang yung ating pagluluto dahil doon mga Inday. So as you can see, hayun na mga Inday, nag-platings na akong ganyan, o diba? May pasukat-sukat pa ako ng rice, ganyan, tapos may palagay-lagay pa ako sa gilid ng ulam para talaga masarap tingnan mga Inday. Pero ayun, na-disappoint ako sa sarili kong luto, kaloka. Or next time mga Inday, magtingin muna tayo sa YouTube paano lutuin yung pusit before tayo magluto-luto ganyan. So kasi mga Inday din ako mga instruction ni diretso na ako nagluto-luto. So hayan lang mga Inday, ma-share ko lang. And then ayan, 'di ba? O nilagay ko na yung pagkain diyan sa chopping board, and then hihatid ko na kay uncle ninyo para kakain na siya mga Inday. So yun lang. So yung mga Inday, get ready with me. Pupunta kami ng Safeway kasi bibili ako ng ice cream. Kasi nga, paggabi wala akong panghimagas. Mahilig ko kumain ng Inday paggabi. So di pa bawal yun, pero hindi naman always mga Inday. Pag lang naman, pag nauumay. Pero sa angkulin yung grabing kain niya. So anyway, punta tayong Safeway mga Inday. Ayan. Magano lang ako, skincare. Mag-sunscreen tayo kasi sobrang init sa labas. Of course, lip tint. Ito ng very light mga Inday. Sila mga Inday, susunduin tayo ng uncle ninyo. Pa ako nakapagwalis ng daming buhok sa mga Inday. Buhok sa kwarto namin. So hindi pa ako nakapagwalis. And anyway, sunduin tayo ng uncle ninyo mga Inday kasi diba tayo yung mga labahan ko hindi pa pala na dryer. Diba nagtrabaho tayo mga Inday? Yan sa uncle pala. Diba nagtrabaho ako mga Inday? So may may binigyan tayo ng tip ni Uncle Linyo. Ayan. So, kunin natin ngayon yung pera na binibigay niya sa akin mga Inday. Ayan. Let's go.
Cupcake pulling snail.
You are.
She runs so fast.
So, punta na tayo sa mga Inday kagabi. Nag-away kami. Sabi ko kayo, kinain mo lahat yung ice cream ko mga Inday. Pag ma-ice cream ako, kainin niya lahat. I told them you eat all my ice cream.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
You didn't buy ice cream last time.
No.
I bought the small ones.
I have ice cream
liar,
there.
Liar, pass the fire,
then,
hang yourself on a telephone wire.
All my left
liar,
ice cream you
pass
eat.
The fire, hang yourself on a telephone wire.
When I opened, where's my ice cream? I said, oh, it's gone. Wrong.
Are you live right now?
Yeah.
Shout out to Rochelle.
Shout out to Rachel, and I'm so happy that she is cancer free. Thank you so much, and thank you God. Congratulations, Dai. And thank you so much to everyone who can support me still. So sana mga hindi kayo magsawa. Anyway, try ko more content pa mga Inday para hindi kayo maano sa akin pa. Minsan kasi mga Inday, wala akong may content kaya di ako nag-film. So ito na yung check mga Inday yung sa trabaho ni Uncle. So ilalagay niya sa bangko to. Tapos bigyan tayo ng tip. Kasi di ba naglinis tayo, bigyan tayo ng tip ni Uncle. Bigyan niya ako ng tip.
To the bank. Something to say. I'm gonna say. I have a surprise for you today.
What?
Still on?
No. What did you say?
I have a surprise for you today.
What is your surprise?
I'm gonna show you. Well, we might we'll be going camping on our anniversary, maybe on Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
Excited. What is that?
It might be. So, but today is a surprise for you.
Look, I'm surprised. Excited na ako mga Inday sa mga surprise.
I'm excited. You're excited. She's excited. What do you like to be excited to? Ooh, potassium toast. That's what she is. Potassium toast. We hit the light wrong. Beating. Oh, I got a headache. I'm dizzy. coating.
Me too, love.
5 hours of coating with that stuff in my face. Oh
Me
my
too. I
God.
think I have a migraine because my eyes hurt too.
You did a nice vacuum job. You know why?
Why?
Because I tacked the floor with the rag and mineral spirits, and I looked at it. There's hardly anything on the rag.
Really?
You have just a couple of big, long black hairs from your head.
Okay.
Yeah, big long black hair. Big long black hair. Big long black hair.
So nakita nyo ba mga Inday, sobrang init kaya hindi tayo pwedeng hindi mag sa sunscreen mga Inday.
Screen.
Sobrang init
Screen.
talaga. Kids are playing outside in the backyard. So
Good.
cute.
You were listening? I opened the window for you this morning.
Yes.
So you could hear the bariums,
Yeah.
the bariums and the billiums.
I wake up
I wake up in the
I
morning and
wake
what
up
do you see?
11 and
You're a
then
snail taster
I
for
sleep
me.
back and then I wake up almost 1.
Oh, Siberian snail tasting fruit of
Because I'm lazy to get up. I not clean the
I might fall asleep when I get home. My coating is killing me.
I need to clean our room. I not clean the room yet because I am lazy. So there's a lot of hairs. I'm gonna vacuum. Binabacuum ko yung mga ano mga ini kasi yung mga diba
Fuck you.
yung bakong
She
buhok
says, what
na
are you gonna do? You're gonna fuck you.
vacuum.
Fuck you. That sounds nasty.
What?
It sounds like fuck you, but it's not. It's fuck you.
Vacuum.
But you could say without the M, you go fuck you. But fuck you.
They're so funny.
Sometimes. Yes, sometimes no. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
So punta muna kami sa bank ko mga Inday kasi nga magdi-deposit sa angkulin nyo ng kwarta. Ayan. And we are going to
The bank.
West America.
West of America,
So,
pow, 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 pow. Go, get your surprise.
so yung mga Inday. May surprise daw ako.
Surprise, surprise for Fitzy Fru.
Ano kaya?
She's a Christmas cake.
What is that?
We're taking her to the zoo.
Zoo?
Yeah, we're going right now.
So isama ko kayo mga Inday. Ano kaya yun?
They opened up a zoo right here. We're gonna leave you there. And it's gonna say on your cage, don't feed the animals. Only I can feed you.
Ano kaya?
Because you are a snail taster. You are a snail taster. That's where you are. You are a snail taster. E-show by far. Hey, yo, Adrian, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, kids. Kids are snail tasters. Here we go.
Okay mga Inday, mga uncle. So akala ko ano yung surprise niya. So dati, di ba nagpunta kami dito kaya ako resize ako doon sa watch ko ba, doon sa relo ko. Tapos may nakita kong ano mga Inday, may nakita kong isang bagay dyan na nagustuhan ko. So yun pala yung binili ni uncle yung mga Inday. Hindi ko expect na bibilihin talaga niya. Akala ko mga Inday, nagjujoke lang siya. Tapos yung binili pala niya mga Inday, kaya pala dinala ako dito kasi bibilihin pala niya yun mga Inday. So, bale, ito yung gift niya sa akin, mga Inday, sa aming 1-year wedding anniversary. So, yun lang, mga Inday, ma-share ko lang. And then, after that, mga Inday, binayaran na ni Uncle ninyo. And then, nagtingin-tingin ako dyan, mga Inday. May nagustuhan akong 2 pairs, 1 pair of earrings dyan, mga Inday. Sabi ko sa kanya, pag 2 years wedding anniversary natin. So, ito na naman, bilhin mo sa akin. Charot lang, mga Inday. Hindi ko sinabi yun. Tinignan ko lang. So, punta ka na dito. Sa Safeway kami, nagkabila ko ng nalak na. Bibili kami ng ano mga Inday, ice cream. Kasi ng ice cream. Kaya minsan nakakasuyag yung mga pagkain mga Inday. Ayun, kailangan ito ice cream.
Ice cream is what we're getting?
Yeah.
And what? That's it?
Maybe fruits.
What?
So gawin ko siya ng sweet and sour pampano mga Inday ulit. No, I don't like the cookies lang.
No cookies.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. This is so cute.
You want to get that?
No.
What is it?
This?
Umbrella? You want to get it?
No, not now.
Oh.
When we have what it calls that?
We should get those big cans and go camping.
This candle?
Yeah.
It's too big.
Bring it camping.
What I mean, when we can get a stove. I buy that, love, so I can cook in outside.
Okay.
Because Jimers can give me a daing. It's a dried fish from Philippines.
Which one?
I'd rather go here. So this vlog is for just uncle, mga inday. I-video natin siya walk. Chocolate, ice cream. What you like? Can I try this one? Vanilla ice cream. I like this Dove.
I do too.
Dove. Have you get that? This. Yeah. I'm gonna try this, mga inday.
Try that.
Yes. Okay. Let's go to the donut, love. I can get some donuts for me. So mag-ano tayo ng donut, mga inday. Kuha ng donut. Ayan. So, I just only get 2 today. 2 donuts. You want yours?
Yeah. Oh, there's lots of them today.
Yeah, but I want just 2.
All night. Right.
Saka sa mga hindi, nagugutom ako paggabi talaga sa totoo lang.
All night. Oh, you got your sugar donuts.
Yours.
I don't know.
Not in here.
Oh.
Instead.
Yeah. Easier. The boxes suck.
Exactly. What's yours?
Baba. Get your sugar ones first.
Did you remember?
What?
This only one. Did you remember the chocolate?
That's what I want. The chocolate. Over. No, not way over. Way over.
Where?
You can get another one?
I like this.
Oh, the glaze. You like the glazed? Get 2 glazed. Get 2 glazed. 2 of those, though. I like them too. And they might chocolate one.
This?
No. Over.
This?
Yeah, way over there.
Strawberry. Yes?
Yeah.
One?
Yeah. Get one of these for the little man because he needs one.
It's 5.
Oh, I didn't know if I was filming you. You know what? I didn't even realize you were on here. I don't know what it's going to look like. I was just wanted fruits, I thought.
What?
No? You got donuts?
We have like eggs there, right? Eggs
So yeah, why?
and bacon because I'm gonna cook for your.
Have bacon?
We have.
Didn't you get the big pork bacon?
No, we don't have.
You want to get bacon?
For you at night. I want your food, love. I have lots of food. You don't have it. I want to make for you.
You want to get bacon?
For you.
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you? Ang bait niya ng Inday. What you like? Here, love.
This one today. Yeah, okay. This one. Perfect. How about I do? Thank you.
Thank you. Love ice cream. Oh, we already ice cream.
You got ice cream.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Ang bait niya, mga Inday. Palagi siya naka-smile.
What are we getting?
Home. How? If you want to.
I thought you bought that big pork bacon.
Love, you didn't like to eat that?
Yes, I do.
Adobo?
I like that pork bacon. Yeah.
Okay. So yun lang mga hindi pala ang bibilhin for today's video. Let me do it.
For today's eat, there's 4 sodas.
So this is the part na gustong-gusto ko, mga Inday.
Well, if you have your club card, 7. If you have your club card, please scan it now.
I do the right? Your number?
I want to dance free.
Your card
Here
has
lang.
been accepted. 11.99. 5.99. Saving. $1.
Really?
99. Saving.
It's only $1.
5.99. 1.99. 5.90. Touch the item to purchase. If you have your club card, please scan it now. Scan items one at a time. Place them in the bagging area. Place your donut in the bag. For items without barcode.
So yun na mga hindi, tapos na. Pauwi na kami ng bahay. So nakalimutan ang bill paper. Kasi mga hindi, pauwi na kami. Kalimutan yung bill paper. Bukas lang ako magluto. Magluto ko naman ito ng itlog at saka bacon mamaya. So yung mga inday, nakarating na tayo sa bahay. Anyway, ito na yung ito yung tip ni uncle niya sa akin, itong 200 na to. Tapos ang 200 dito mga inday is sahod ko sa YouTube. So sabi ko kay uncle niya, i-keep yung 100 kaya diba sabi ko sa kanya na ako magbibili dun sa sa gas stove. So pinakit ko yung 100 mga inday. Gusto ko bumili talaga noon mga inday. So ayan, bali 300 lahat. So tip natin 200, tapos yung 100, yung sahod natin na sa YouTube mga inday. Tapos yung 100, yun yung pambili ko ng stove mga inday. Kaya para may remembrance ba tayo sa ating camping stuff. So yun lang mga inday, ma-share ko lang. Thank you so much.